Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Crime On Bodycam, and the title of the video is Woman's Best Buy Scam Fails Miserably. Wow. Okay, let's get into it, man. I don't know what's going on with Best Buy nowadays, man.
On June 9th, 2023, officers were called when a woman attempted to use another woman's ID to purchase a laptop from Best Buy.
She's trying to walk out the exit doors.
No.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Do you have an ID on you? I think you're using fraudulent identification to
No, I
purchase
don't.
stuff.
I don't have no idea on me.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, can we just move out of the way
Let's
so we can...
go stand over here.
out here, please.
Was there somebody with the car outside?
Ooh, she thicker than a snicker, boy. God dang. Come on now. Come on, sweetheart, man. Come on now. Come on, you gotta be getting to the bag, man. You can't be doing this, man. Can't be doing this activity, man.
Where'd you get this ID from?
That's not me in the ID.
Huh?
That's not me.
That's not you?
No.
Looks like you.
That's not me.
That looks like you.
That does not look like me.
Yeah, it looks like you.
You got a white SUV.
Alright. What was she trying to purchase?
There's nothing in that
computer.
Ma'am.
I'm not going nowhere. I'm trying to move from the side.
Yeah, you could move over here.
Okay? You're not even the officer. So get away from me. I'm not talking to you. I
What's she
just
trying
get
to
away
get?
from me.
Computer, $1,300.
Mac?
Windows this time.
Windows?
Yeah. The two other guys that came with her.
I didn't come with that guy. Was asking me for my number actually, and I was trying to move.
Yeah.
I don't know him.
I'm not talking to you. So
You said two other guys.
What the cameras?
There was one guy there following me,
y'all
asking
came
for
from
my
the same
number.
Okay, that's my partner's not gonna find out.
Yeah.
I'm not talking to you.
You're good.
Can we move?
Dang, it look like she got veneers and everything. What's going on, baby? What's going on? You ain't gotta do this, sweetheart, man. There's plenty of guys that'll probably simp out on you and stuff like that, man. You ain't gotta do all this now.
Come away from the entrance.
Yeah, you're gonna walk with my partner.
Okay.
You might talking to her over there. Her.
Yes.
What's going on?
No, he's saying that I was doing fraud with another guy, but I walked in, right? I'm sorry, the sun is in my face.
Let's go over this way just so we don't get the sun in your eyes.
While I was waiting for him, some guy came behind me. He was asking me for my social media and my number, and I'm like, no, I have a boyfriend, like, leave me alone. And he thinks I was with the guy doing fraud.
Okay, all right. So you were just in here shopping, you're saying?
Yeah, I was looking at the laptops, and I had asked him for a laptop, but that was about it. I didn't purchase nothing. I don't have nothing.
Okay. Did you try to open a credit card?
No, I didn't.
You did not?
No, I asked for the information. He gave me all the information.
Okay. Did you like provide an ID at that point? Like, here's
No.
my credentials.
No.
You did not?
No, I was gonna try to purchase a laptop depending on the price of it.
Sure.
And he just said, okay, he got the laptop, went back there, and never came back.
Okay.
And then when he
what
came
laptop
back,
are you looking to buy?
he is a Surface Pro. I don't even know
Surface?
yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, that's why we're here. So
Okay.
we got to figure out what's going on,
Okay.
and then barring whatever. Like I said, we just got here, so I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. So, what time did you get here? Do you know about?
No.
30, 40 minutes ago? 10, 20 minutes ago?
Maybe
It's
like 15 minutes. Not
6:55 now.
even. I don't even know. Maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Um,
How do I spell that? What's your first name?
Jeanette. Janette.
Janette.
Yes.
Do you have a middle initial, Jeanette?
No. I don't know because I'm here for vacation.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from New York
Oh, okay.
originally. Yeah. Can I answer? Because I had left the Uber and I had like 2 addresses so he could take me back.
You're with the Uber?
Yeah, but he left. So.
Okay.
he
Yeah,
was
just let him know it's
probably
going to be a minute.
All right. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Just stay over here, though.
Okay. Ooh. Wait a minute. Hello?
Paul 5.
No, ya estoy jodida. Deme llamar el Uber driver.
Can you run a name DOB, please?
Because the Uber was calling me before he left.
So you walked in trying to buy a laptop.
I was asking for the price,
Okay.
right? And
So they came up to you. You're like, you're interested in this laptop. The employee.
oh yeah.
They went to the
I
back.
asked them-
They never came back.
Yeah, he went to the back.
And then you went up to the line.
What line? No, I was there the whole time.
Oh,
in front
where?
of the register.
Right over here.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I was asking where did he go, to the other employees, and he said he was trying to get something from a printer to work or something like that. And then when he came back, I was about to walk out, and then right before I was about to walk out, he ran behind me, and the officer came in.
Okay. What about these guys? You said there were some guys
No,
that came up.
they could check the camera. There was a guy. I'm standing in one of these aisles, and a guy came behind me asking me for my Instagram and cell phone number. It was a dark-skinned guy, and I told him, no, I don't have. He was like, so you don't have social media? I'm like, no, I have a boyfriend.
You said it was a dark skin guy?
Yeah, he had like braids.
Like dreads?
Dreads or braids, I don't know, and a hat.
Did he have anything else, like tattoos? Could
No,
you
I
see?
didn't notice.
What was he wearing?
I swear, I wasn't even trying to look at him because I didn't want no eye contact with him, but he was like literally right behind me.
Okay.
I was, right where the TV is curved, that's where I was standing, and he came behind me asking me for my information.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't.
You don't? Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Take your time.
All right. We'll wait here, and then my partner will come talk to you, and then we'll get going from there. But you're saying you don't know this guy at all?
At all.
Okay.
At all. Like if they check the camera, you could, well, I mean, I don't know if they could hear at least.
Sure.
If they could hear him asking me for my number.
But you're
and for
saying
my
you kind of
social
brushed him
media.
off, right?
Yeah, I turned around and I'm like, oh no. He said, before you go back to the guy, because he was helping me, then he left and he was like, before you go to the other guy, can I have your phone number or your social media? And I said, no, that I didn't have social media. And I
That boy ain't know. He like, listen, you dealing with a New York joint, man. You dealing with a Bronx joint, man. Hey, listen, don't come over here pump faking, ask me for nothing. Curve. Quick. They won't even say nothing. Curve you, boy. You be sick. You be standing there like sick. Nigga. You talk about, man, New York joint, man.
give him my number.
But she lying though. She lying. She I don't know about the guy part or whatever, but she definitely tried to steal that laptop though.
Okay.
But I don't know him at all.
Okay. How'd you get here today?
In an Uber.
You Uber? Okay. Are you staying local, like in a hotel in the local area, or
Yeah, well, I already checked out the hotel.
where were you staying?
And
You find where she lives?
Drive to New York, please.
it was the I have to check
29
my
from 30,
email.
we found one. Of course.
Sorry, miss. Did you say no record in both?
Yeah, no record, New York and Illinois.
Okay.
No,
Are you out of New York?
if I'm out of New
Like,
York,
do you live in New York?
Yes, I
That's
do.
where your driver's license is out of.
yeah,
Your government ID.
yes, from New York. My birthday, yes.
Okay, because we're not getting anything back on there, which means that you
I
don't exist.
never been arrested. How I don't exist?
No, I'm talking about like your driver's license.
Oh,
So that
yes.
means
No,
you're.
yes. I've never been arrested or nothing.
No? Okay.
When I was in middle school for fighting and stuff like that, but not.
That's nonsense.
Yeah.
How long you live in New York?
Getting out of that
All
way,
my life.
out of New York. Nothing out of Illinois, but New York, you just have it back clear.
Okay, thank you. All right, like I said, we'll wait for him to come over and then see what's going on here. All right, I don't know if I missed it. Where'd you say you were staying?
I just check out. So I'm not gonna lie. I come here and work like at the strip clubs and stuff
Okay.
like that. And
Yeah, no worries.
I do that like sometimes in different states or
Okay.
you know. But
Were you staying in the city or were you?
What I say, man. In the beginning, I'm like, yo, she thick. Like, I'm like, yo. Some guys will simp out on you. You ain't gotta be doing all this. Like, you gotta get to the bag. And look, come to find out, she whatchamacallit, she a stripper, man. get into the bag. So why can't you pay for the laptop? Come on now.
And on a suburb.
What, here?
Yeah, like were you staying in Chicago or were you staying in Chicago?
And then I just go, like every time I work at a club, I go to a next club the next day and stay at a near hotel from there or Airbnbs and stuff like that.
Okay. All right. So do you come for like extended, like a couple of weeks or just a couple of days? Or?
No, this is my first time here in Chicago for that.
Okay. All right.
I prayed and it has sound, like,
sure.
Seriously.
Yeah, I don't know if they have like audio.
Yeah.
I don't know how their cameras work here, to be honest.
Well, I hope if they do, so at least just so he could feel stupid, because I would understand, but we definitely didn't look like we was together.
Sure.
But maybe because he saw him with his phone in his hand trying to talk to me, maybe I don't know who was that.
Yeah, you know how it goes when you're watching something from kind of a distance. You can't really tell what's going on.
Yeah.
When are you heading back to New York?
I was just trying to make money to pay my freaking bills, and then I didn't even have like flight or anything to leave yet.
No shit.
So just going through a hard time, and I have kids and bills and.
How many kids?
Two.
Two.
Huh?
This is Jeanette.
Hey, Jeanette, what brought you in today?
So I just came out here, like I was telling him, I dance at strip clubs and been from city to city, and then I came in. I'm not gonna lie, I was trying to get a laptop, but I didn't even purchase anything. I didn't get anything.
Okay. Well, did you give him anything up there?
The ID.
You gave him the ID?
Yeah.
And it's not you, clearly?
It's not me. It's someone that looks like me. Though.
Okay. What we're going to do is we have to place you under arrest for possession of fraudulent ID, so if you put your hands behind your back. Okay.
And I left my bag in the Uber, so I don't know.
Okay. I'm sure one of our female nurses...
Can I text my mom and let her know?
Oh, we'll let you call at the police department, okay?
Okay. This is too tight on this side.
Let me get it.
One female, 95.
Would I be able to take the numbers from my phone at least? Because I don't know numbers by number.
You'll be able to get them.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, one.
As long as you're
Yeah, I'll grab your bag. I got your bag. Let go of your bag.
I can do it?
Yeah. We're going to walk outside.
I hope it is good that it's every night. Okay?
I got a phone number for the corner of the time.
We're going to walk over here.
3044.
Does your mom live in Illinois? You currently live in Illinois? Okay. How long have you been in Illinois for? 2 days. Do you have any pockets on you or anything, or no? No pockets? Okay.
Wait, with the thing there?
Yeah, it's just a seatbelt. Yeah, it's just going to go across your leg.
Oh my.
She was charged with identity theft.
I don't know. Something ain't right with the story. Something really ain't right with the story, but maybe she had guys with her or something, but something just ain't right, you know. But either way, come on, baby. Come on. You're supposed to be milking them simps, man. There's a guy that's willing to cash out right now. You hear me? You ain't got to be doing these petty crimes, man. You got to get your shit together, right?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.